What's up, everybody? It's Cameron Foose with thetechnicaltrader.net. It's Friday, December 10th, 2010. We just capped the week off with a huge day. I was watching this PZG trade last night, and yesterday I put this on the watch list in last night's newsletter and alerted saying that if this can break out above this resistance level around 190 or so, this could be a huge runner, and that's exactly what happened here. This morning I alerted the Black Service crew that I went long at 191 as soon as this was breaking out above these past peak resistance levels of this ascending triangle, and then if it broke 2, that was a big signal as it was breaking out long-term resistance here, as this is the 2-year history chart, and this is absolutely blew up today, closing at near the high of days at 259, plus 40% on the day. I locked in half the gain here at 253, so I locked in about $2,100 profit for half, and I'm still holding the other half, about $2,000 profit open trade. Looking for this to potentially continue into Monday as there's so much momentum going here, and even so, I might even actually consider buying on a dip towards the midpoint of this breakout candle along 225. As this breakout is huge, I think this could possibly consolidate up here for a little while and then actually continue forward, as this is just the first day of the breakout. So that was our huge pick of the day for Friday, but I have a lot of other stocks here that I'm holding in the portfolio, around 10 to 12 stocks to talk about that I'm long all of them. So we got a lot of hot stock picks. Next up is DSCM. This is something I picked up the other day on this breakout above this resistance level around 180. My average position is 181. It came back and pulled back today about 4%. To 186. It's actually up another 1% after hours. But what this is here, I was looking at this as it broke above this ascending triangle line here at 180 and long on this volume spike here, and we had this other volume spike here. So there's definitely some interest in buying here with this volume coming in. And we got this resistance up here at $2 per share. As I was talking about in the chat room the other day, I'd like to see this break here. Retest the $2 level, kind of consolidate, and then if this breaks out above 2, this could easily run to 225 to 250. So I'm still looking for this to break out above the $2 level and run up into a range of about 225 to 250, where I'd like to see an area where I'd like to take my profits. So that's another stock that's still in play. As long as this rides the 13 EMA trend, we're still looking solid, so still along this position. Next up is EK. Alright, so looking here, I went long this EK, Eastman Kodak, yesterday at 508. This is a Foose revival pattern. As you can see here, we got this lead-in trend of a bearish trend, then finally got this push here on their latest earnings report, and then consolidated once this broke out above this recent high at about $5. I took a long position at 508. This came back down about almost 4% today, but this is typical of a breakout where it will retest near the midpoint of the candle or the breakout zone before it consolidates and continues higher. I'm looking for this to possibly push up around $6 per share or higher, where I'd like to take some profits. So this is still in consolidation phase post breakout. Same thing here. As long as this holds a 13 EMA, we're looking solid. So looking for this to make a continuation in the days to weeks to come. Next up is EXEL. This is another play that I bought into yesterday. This is called the Foose survival pattern. As you can see here, this had that first spike up on volume, and then the rally never kind of failed here. It consolidated and then formed this resistance level that broke out above 608. Yesterday, my average position here is at 612. Super nice bounce off the 13 EMA. Got volume in the last few days. This came down and retested near the midpoint of the breakout candle, and then rallied today and actually closed higher than yesterday. So we got a 2% rally on this today. Looking for about $7 plus on this one for profits. All right, now here is FBC. Regional banks have been heating up lately. So this one didn't actually get the strongest close that I'd like to see. I was looking for this 140 area to break out here and then possibly break out above the recent high here at 143. We actually did get that push and then actually couldn't get that strong close